Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an affiliate marketing strategy with ShareASale easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create an effective affiliate marketing strategy with ShareASale, start by signing up for a ShareASale account. Visit the ShareASale website and click on the sign up button. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log into the ShareASale dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard and key features. Next, explore the merchant options available on ShareASale. Use the search bar or browse categories to find merchants that align with your niche. Once you find a suitable merchant, click on their profile for more details. Review their commission structure, payment terms, and promotional materials. If you decide to move forward, apply to the merchant's affiliate program. After approval, you can access the merchant's banners and links. Choose promotional materials that best fit your audience and branding. Next, create high-quality content that incorporates these affiliate links. Consider blog posts, product reviews, or social media content as options. Be sure to disclose your affiliate relationship to maintain transparency. Optimize your content for SEO to attract organic traffic. Utilize social media platforms to share your content and reach a wider audience. Engage with your audience to build trust and encourage conversions. Monitor your performance through ShareASale's reporting tools. Analyze which content and strategies yield the best results. Continuously refine your tactics based on data and feedback. Stay updated on market trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. With dedication and consistent effort, your affiliate marketing strategy can thrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.